I find that sometimes when we're doing this, when we're still voicing. Do this eventually. We could just talk without voicing.
I can't wait to get there.
Yeah. This is your 13. That's 13 weeks. Yeah, it would be fun. What is that? Yeah. You have to sign that one. Yeah. Does this one practice?
I need to.
Why are you learning? Anyways. He's a monkey.
My goddaughter is deaf, and she's 6, and I want to be able to communicate with her in the future.
Okay, so 1, you just point 1 forward. Have you enjoyed the classes?
Just, I always liked it. Like, I feel like when I see people that I wanted to be able to communicate with them, because not a lot of people. And then when they need a translation,
you know how to say all those words? Yeah, that's it. Fun stuff. American Sign Language, because you're going to need to know some of this history. ASL is only used, the stuff I'm going to teach you is only used in America and parts of Canada. 2, just like it looks. 3 is going to be with your thumb, because otherwise you're signing W. It's called CODA. CODA stands for Children of Deaf Adults. This is A, and you can go along. The first word is, and I already gave it to you, this is acting. Oh, you did that pretty well. A lot of sign language has to do with your face.
Expressions.
It's expression. B is this, so you're like a salute.
I don't
believe. To believe. You take the pointing finger and you go, I believe. This is C. Care. I care so much. 10, 20, 30 words that you get to practice. In your first 30 words, I do A, B, C in the first week, 10 words in each level. You're going to be able to sign words immediately. As soon as you practice them, you'll know how to do these words. And, cool. They go COOL. This is what they use for us. This is, if they do this, that means they're calling us here, and that means we speak New York.